my people, the youth, they don't finally vex as in this matter, no be play matter again. They don't turn am to another level. And I know say Tinubu don't run. As Tinubu run, so wetin come surprise me and you wey be say they watch this video, so be say in wife wey they call Remi Tinubu wey be say they look for this screen, so she get mind relax or tanda for Nigeria. I be she no know say na so e go be. Anyway, na God na in cash am sha. And I know say the son, that is our son herself, that one don run enter London today. Wey be say some guys don't even gbab am. If you never watch that video, I make that video today because I dey follow up with all this matter, because wetin they use Nigeria I see on 2010. Oh, I no fit forget that day. Even if we no dey Naija there, everybody hear am hot as in cold cash anybody. My people, as I can't hear this latest G say angry you, they march go where she did, they no disclose the place. Now I make I bring and come for you. Now guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new in the house, you are welcome. If you're my old subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to smash on that red button that says subscribe. Beside the red button there is a notification bell. The essence of that bell is for you to get notified each time or each day I upload a new video. You can always come and check it out. Okay, thank you so much as you do so. Yes, my people, before I will move into this matter, I won't just drop my sincere condolences to those who don't, to those who be say they don't pass this matter, turn RIP. I pray may God console in our loved ones, because still, up till now we hear different rumor, and for real guys, they funny. May your gentle souls rest in peace. You guys are indeed hero, for real. We respect you for fighting a battle. And please, Nigeria, make una no give up, as in this our rights, so they must give us. Understand, because now waiting they promise us their own don't dey too much. Even today, so one video beside just see where be say they go, they go load somewhere with food. Where be say people they hungry for that pandemic, they get mind go load them. Oh, now today I can't dislike them past you. I take dislike them before. For real, shame on you guys. Nigerian leaders, you guys have really failed everybody, including your generation. But it's high time for you guys, my people. When they carry me come today, they let us know say some angry youths they go grab this woman. I don't know if not the house, because they don't disclose them. As they grab, I'm not the small bits in, as in hey, they really enter her. And right now we can't hear rumors say as the woman just did so, she dey hospital. There's not be small thing. I can't the one that say sure. Hey, it be like now God na in cash am. So the husband just run leave am. I be I say this matter, my people. This matter, I thank God say some youths don't they wake up, because all these leaders, they don't do us. And wait, I won't beg. So if I won't beg all those people, we say they kill the peaceful protester, I beg. Make una no face them. Make una march go Asoro, go meet Buhari. If na fit do that one for us, we will know say na be indeed hero. No be no. Oh, I beg for real. I beg. Make una leave them. Make una leave them. Even all those police, we say they no get sense at all. We be say na peaceful protest. I will say if they march for us today, go fit favor me and una tomorrow. Una day they do it in the year Buhari tell una. For real, it is not nice. They nice at all. I beg, make una temper justice with mercy. I use God beg una. My people, I make I can't give una disclose about this woman waiting they sub for her side. So right now, Remi Tinubu, she dey one angle. She dey shop pepper soup. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment. Tell me what you think about this video, okay? Anyhow the gist they come, I go give an update from my side. From me to you guys, I say bye for now.